In this tutorial, we will build a mind map to store information which can be accessed quickly. The mind map in this example is about AppleScript, an easy to use and powerful scripting language for Mac OS X. This mind map contains hyperlinks that go deep into a book on AppleScript, giving us the ability to access specific sections, pages, or code snippets with one click. For example, when I click on this PDFO URL, I open up the PDF inside PDFO. Each PDFO URL has a short name to refer to the PDF, and this name is known as the prefix. You can see the entire list of PDFs managed by PDFO in the Preference window under the Prefixes tab. After we assign a prefix to the PDF, we can create URLs in several ways. You can select entries from the table of contents and copy them, Command C, to the clipboard. When you paste this into a notepad or a mind map, it will have PDFO URLs attached to it. If you don't want lengthy URLs, you can shorten them using the format switch in the toolbar. When you copy and paste again, the URLs will be shorter. You can also select and copy text in the PDF and paste it with the PDFO URL attached to it. For other ways to create URLs, take a look at the inbuilt documentation, which is also available by following a PDFO URL. PDFO URLs work in all rich text documents and in Mac OS X applications that support rich text. You have many application choices to suit your style of note taking.